What's all that stuff?
What happened? What did Santa bring, baby? Is that for you?
Go see, come on.
Sissy's bike?
No, that's not Sissy's bike. Whose bike is that? Oh, Addie. Whose is it?
It's my dad.
Santa brought your bike?
That must be your bike, Addie. Didn't you ask for a pink bike?
Go look at it.
There. What's there?
Step on it, Addie. Can you step on it?
Okay, on two. Oh. What's there?
What is that?
So. Where's your mom?
There is a star on that car.
Oh. Yeah. Maybe it's mine.
Yeah, that's right. It is yours.
Not open.
Do you want to get in?
Yeah.
Okay.